Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sissy Danae and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So in today's video I will be showing you how I do my long passion twist. Yeah, I have another passion twist video, but it was about a year ago and they're a little different. They were like more chunky and not as long, but these are 24 inches. Actually it's longer, but the hair that I got said they were 24 inches, but as you can see, they're long. And the hair is super soft. I didn't have any problems with tangling. Now sometimes when you do passion twist, spring twist, any kind of twist, depending on the hair you use, some hair is not that good, so it's gonna tangle and it's gonna be stressful. But this hair, super soft, no tangling, nothing. And you can see how good these twists look. Like, just look. So yeah, if you want to see how I got these passion twists, then just keep watching. Okay, so this hair was sent to me by Phosphe hair on Amazon, and they sent me 7 packages of this passion twist hair, and you can also use it for butterfly locks. It's 24 inches, but they say it's 24 inches, but it's way longer than that when you actually install it. And again, they sent me 7 packages of this hair, and I ended up using about 6.5 packs. So as you can see, I've already started parting my hair, putting it in rubber bands, and twisting it up. So I'm going to take the rubber bands and just put some oil on them so, you know, my hair doesn't break. And I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. I'm also using Shine and Jam and Edge Control to slick my hair into the little ponytails. I will also have this hair that I used linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to show you 2 ways that I do these twists. Starting out, I use 3 pieces of hair, and they're already pre-sectioned, so I just take 3 pieces and put them together. You do not have to fluff these out, you guys. All you have to do is just run your hands down them and make them a little frizzy, and that's it. You don't have to do all that fluffing. It's really not necessary. So the first method, all I do is I slide the crochet hook under the rubber band, as you will see. Okay, so after I did that, I just hooked the hair on and pulled it through. And I'm going to take only one of those pieces and pull it all the way through. So you take it in one piece and I'm pulling it through. I mean like 1/2, if that makes sense. So now it should look like this. And then I will take some edge control or shiny jam and split my real hair into 2 pieces to match them up with the fake hair, and I will start twisting. You will see that when I start to twist, I'm kind of like doing like a Senegalese twist at first, so like my hair doesn't come out. I'm doing like a really tight twist, but once I pass my hair, I just start to do a regular 2-strand twist.
Get you a Monte.
And you guys, I'm twisting right over left, so that's counterclockwise. So I'm doing the same thing again, taking 3 pieces of hair and just running my hands over it just to make it a little frizzy. Then I'm going to take my crochet hook and slide it under the rubber band again. And this time, instead of pulling one side all the way through, I'm just going to pull one side through the loop, as you will see. Now I have my loop, and I'm going to pull one of the pieces of hair through the loop, or 1/2 of the hair through the loop. I really hope that makes sense. In this way, this creates a little knot, so it's more secure, but it's up to you which way you want to do. I did the back with the knot, and I did the front the other way because I didn't want any knots showing in the front. Now I'm going to twist all the way down, just a regular 2-strand twist, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair. If you are still having trouble, either comment down below and I will try to help you, or feel free to rewind it and rewatch again. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. You guys like, and they are really long. See, I'm about 5'6". I'm about 5'6", about 6.5. And yeah, this is how they look. Let me know if you will be trying this hairstyle. Tag me on Instagram if you do try it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.